Hey guys, this is Kurt Henninger, and I wanted to do a quick video today on how to actually set up really one of the most powerful advertising mediums out there right now, and that is Google AdWords. So, for those of you who didn't know, you can actually advertise on Google and through AdWords on something called pay-per-click. And essentially, what that is you pay every time somebody clicks on your advertisement. And so what I'm going to do right now is actually show you how to get the initial setup for your program here. So first of all, you want to go to www.google.com. You can see that right up here. And then you're going to see advertising programs and click on advertising programs. And the kind of advertising we're going to do today is Google AdWords. So we're ready to start, and we're going to sign up for a Google AdWords account. So we're going to click on the sign up now button. And there you have two initial options to sign up. One is a starter edition and one is a standard edition. And I recommend signing up using the standard edition because there's a lot more features and functionality to it, and you can manage multiple campaigns, things like that. So again, I recommend signing up for the standard edition. And it's going to ask you, do you currently have a Google account, or you don't use any of the services? So I definitely have a Google account. And I have an existing Google account for that I'll use right now for this. So I'm going to click on, I like to use my existing Google account for AdWords. And what you're going to do right here, like let's say you have a Gmail account. And so Google has a universal account feature where you can, with the same email and the same password, you can sign up for AdWords. So what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to pause the video and go ahead and put in my email and password. And then I'll see you on the other side here. Okay, so now we're back, and Google's going to ask us to set our currency option here. I'm just going to leave it at US dollars, but you can see there's a bunch of other different currencies you can use. And just click on continue. Okay, so now we're back, and it says welcome to Google AdWords, and what's the next step? You want to start an online campaign. And the campaign wizard here is really going to take you through step by step, but let's go through it here real quick on the video. So you want to click on create your first campaign. Okay. Target customers by link. Okay, you're going to set up some features of your campaign and really select where you want to advertise. So target customers by language. I like to use English. Target customers by location. And it defaults, I'm here in the United States, it defaults to the United States, but if you click on change targeting, okay, it'll take you to, where you can target anywhere in the world. And there's something called bundles that I want to show you here real quick. I could do the United States and Canada, North America, Latin America. I could do all countries and territories if you want to advertise around the world. But for right now, I'm just going to leave it at here in the United States. Okay. And here is where you're going to create your ad. And the format, essentially right here, here's your headline. Okay. And so I'm going to do a real quick headline here. Looking for MLM leads. Okay. And you really want to have it as something that's going to capture somebody's attention. The first description line, let's say an easy way to get MLM leads fast. And let's say, okay, free report will show you how to do that. Okay, so that one was a little long. Free report will show you how to, will show you how. Okay, I'll just leave it at that. And then you're going to do two things. To finish this up, you're going to have what's the display URL, which is essentially what the person's going to see on that particular ad. So I'm going to type down my own page. Marketingnow.com. and then the destination URL. And you can really specify, as long as Google accepts it, your destination URL. So if you have something like a tracking link or anything like that, you can point the advertisement to that. Or if you have a specific page in your website that you want to point people towards, you can do that too. I'm just going to leave it the same for right now. Okay. So you click on continue. Okay. And now you're going to input whatever keywords. It says choose your keywords, and a keyword is just if somebody on Google types in um, something, that is what your advertisement will show up for. So we'll just do this one, MLM leads. Okay, real quick, and continue. And here you're going to set up your daily ad budget. Okay, and I'm just going to put in $20 a day. All right, and really you need to figure out what you're comfortable with, and so, think about how much money you want to spend on this kind of advertising. Okay. And now you're going to enter what's known as a maximum cost per click. And really what that is when anybody types in, for the example we're using here, MLM leads, how much, and they see your advertisement, they want to click on it, how much are you willing to pay? All right. So I'm just going to type in 30 cents here just to put a number in. And you have to put in something. It has to be a minimum because you are paying Google that amount or less because it's a maximum. That amount or less each time somebody clicks on it. And I'm going to click on continue here. Okay. And that's what your ad is going to look like right there. And this is your keyword. Now you will need to include a couple more keywords in your campaign. So all I'm going to do now is continue to the billing portion of it. Okay. Select your country or territory where your billing address is located. Time zone, if you have a promotional code, go ahead right there. So I'm going to pause this video real quick and put in my own billing information. I'll be back in a second. And here we are back in the campaign summary screen after I've gone ahead and put in my payment information. And there you have it. It shows my campaign, which is active, my current budget, the number of clicks I've had on there. And that's really it in order to initially set up your campaign. Of course, there's a lot of steps you want to take after that, but that is how to set up your first Google AdWords campaign. I wish you good luck with that. This is Kurt Henninger from Successful Network Marketing Now. Have a good day.